Heart murmurs are extra sounds heard when blood flows abnormally across a valve. This video will focus on left-sided murmurs, the most common and most tested. In a future video, we'll cover right-sided murmurs. So to start off, we will focus on the systolic murmurs of the left side. During systole, the ventricle contracts. If the aortic valve is narrowed, blood rushing through it, right here as I'm going to draw, creates the murmur of aortic stenosis, right here, as I drew. In mitral regurgitation, the mitral valve doesn't close properly, so blood leaks backward into the left atrium, creating the murmur of mitral regurgitation, as seen here. Next, diastolic murmurs occur when the ventricle fills. If the aortic valve is leaky, blood falls backwards into the left ventricle, causing the murmur of aortic regurgitation, right here. In mitral stenosis, blood struggles to pass through a narrowed mitral valve, creating its murmur of mitral stenosis. So, these four, aortic stenosis, mitral regurgitation, aortic regurgitation, and mitral stenosis, are the classic left-sided murmurs. Thank you.